everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a mood board using Canva. Open Canva, type mood board in the search bar. You will see various templates to choose from. Select the template type that suits your vision. Click on Customize this template. Double-click on the text to edit and change it. You can also add new text as needed. Go to the Upload section. Click on Upload Files to upload the images you want to use. Select the photo you uploaded and drag it onto the canvas to replace the old image. Double-click on the image to adjust its size and position on the board. Next, change the color. Click on Color. Choose Add a new color icon. Click on the color picker icon. Pick a color from the design. Repeat the same steps. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.